Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Citymove application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the help and contact button, and at the Citymove support section click on the FAQs button. So as you can see, there are some general topics that you can find questions on. There are the registration and login questions, parking related questions, public transport and routing related questions. So for example, if you're looking for some registration and login related question, look for that section, and if you found it, just click on that, and as you can see, here's the question and the answer for that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.